In this video, we'll be studying regarding the chapter construction. In order to understand construction, first we'll look through the basic construction, that is an angle bisector. To construct the bisector for the angle, we'll consider an angle, say YOX. I label this angle as Y, O and X. So in order to construct a bisector to this, first I'll point the compass at O for a random measure and mark an arc. So I'm pointing it here at O and I'm putting an arc. Now after that, I'll keep it at the first point of the arc. I'll reduce this measure. I'm reducing it a bit. I'll just keep it more than half. So I'm cutting an arc. First, and then at the second point, that is here, same measure. After I've cut two arcs, I'll connect between O and this intersecting lines. I'll call this as A. So the ray OA is the angle bisector of YOX. If you see here, XOA and YOA will be of same measure. Next construction is to construct a perpendicular bisector to a given line segment. I'll consider a random line segment, say AB. So I'm marking this A and B. In order to construct a perpendicular bisector, I'll point the compass at B and take more than half. I'm taking it more than half and marking a curve above and below the line segment. Same measure, I'm keeping it A, marking it above and below. Once this marking is done, I'll join both the points and connect it. Now this point, I'll call it as, I'll extend this further in here. I'll call this point as PQ. So PQ is the line which will perpendicularly bisect AB at M. So next construction is to construct an angle of 60 degree at an initial point of a given ray. So I'll consider a ray. So this is my ray. The initial point I'll mark it as A and this point I'll mark it as B. To the ray AB, I need to construct 60 degree. So first, a random measure, I'll point it at A and draw an arc. And in random measure, I'm drawing an arc. Same measure without any changes, I'll keep the compass at the first mark and cut an arc. Now if I'm connecting both the points, this will give me, this angle formed here is 60 degree. The angle formed here is 60 degree.